Hey everybody, welcome back to Rosie's Diecast. Today I was going to show you guys some of my 57 T-Birds. And this one, to start off, is the 1983. It's in a little metallic red. Got your gray hub reel riders. Metal base. Let's see, a little chip there. Other than that, this one is in pretty good shape. I have another one of these that is closed off, or open, or I mean unopened. It's still carded. I just noticed there, it doesn't look like there's a steering wheel in these. I never noticed that before. Guess I never really looked at the interior too much on these. But this was an 83 reel rider, and you could get these with a white hub or this gray hub. They had some with just regular black wall tires as well. Here's a 1986. This one could use a little cleaning, a little polish on the paint there. This one is a metal base. Gray hub reel riders on this one too. Can't see too much of the interior on this one, but it's got that nice, what is that, 80s graphics on there. Definitely fun little cars. You could get this one with white gray or white hubs as well, or you could get this one with a black wall. And then here is, this one was the Gleam Team, I think is what this series was called. So kind of a weird polished or marked up gold metal flake. Still a Zamac base, black wall tires. Not much other detail in this one, other than just like the way this one sat. And then a slightly newer, this one's 2002 from the Auto Milestones. This one is a plastic base, and you can feel the difference in these. The metal one is definitely a lot heavier, feels a lot more beefy. You guys see this one's no porthole. You could get this with or without, and then this one has the porthole. And this one has a lot more detail to it. You can actually see there's no steering wheel. A lot better on this one because of the white interior. Let me know what you guys think. Which one of these was y'all's favorite? I am still partial to one of the older ones. Thank you guys for watching.